Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest cryptocurrency channel on all the interwebs. Probably just means more people will be mad at me after this epic Bitcoin dump. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, if you like these up-to-date videos where I tell you exactly what's going on right now in the crypto markets, not regularly scheduled videos, then make sure to smash that like button so we know you like staying updated on what's popping, or in this case, dumping. Guys, Bitcoin has just had an epic fall from grace, going from almost $50,000 last night all the way down to $46,000. And yes, that's right. You did read the title correctly. I lost $150,000 on a leverage trade. Actually, 2 leverage trades. I got liquidated. I think I lost about 3 BTC total, a little bit over 3. And am I worried about it? No. Did it happen? Yes. Was I chasing? Doing exactly what I tell you guys not to do? Yes. It happens, guys. I did make, I think about about 2 Bitcoin over the last couple of days. So I just lost 3.5. So I'm down still about half a bitty. But that's money that I basically made Thursday and Friday. So we just wiped out our gains for the last few days. And here's what I'll say about that. Usually chasing these dumps down, if you think you've got some points, the reason why I got liquidated not once but twice was because I was really looking at a support line. And once it wicked down to the support line and then came back up, I said, okay, I'm going to go in harder right here. And that was just part 1 of the dump. The next trend line is down somewhere around $44,000-ish dollars. I don't think we're going to get all the way down there. A lot of you guys have by this point, now it could change. It looks like we have bottomed or it bounced back up. And of course, what did I do? I caught it right at the bottom again. So, coincidentally, I've been trying out some 50x leverage. Now, once again, if you'd like to sign up for Bybit, please do that. If you're new to Bybit or new to leverage trading, don't start with 50x. So all you got to do is go to bitboycrypto.com/deals. And I coincidentally had just started playing with 50x leverage yesterday, trying it out a little bit. It was going pretty well. Not the best. I mean, I had made a little bit, maybe about a quarter to a half a Bitcoin, somewhere in that range. Think about a quarter of a Bitcoin. And, then today, it got me. My liquidation points were so low. I have not seen Bitcoin dump this hard, this quickly in a long, long, long time. So what does this tell us? This tells us that most likely this is manipulation. The good thing is, I tell you guys, you make sure you always still have money loaded in your account, money behind, in case you do get liquidated or stopped out, you can go back in. So I was able to go back in right at 40, I can't remember what the number is now. I think 46,000 is where I got back in. I think. I can't remember what the numbers are right now. I don't have the trade in front of me. It dumped so much. It's kind of like this. Do you know how old you are? You might have to think about it. If you're over the age of 23 or 24 and I say how old you are, unless you've been saying it a lot, you're like, wait, how old am I? Am I 36, 30? I think I'm 38 years old. My son told me a couple weeks ago, he said, Dad, you'll be 40 next year. And I was like, you got to be kidding me. He's correct. So that's something we're banned from saying in this house now. 39 this year, 40 next year. Scary stuff. But that's how quickly the Bitcoin price moved. I lost, my bearings. Like, where's even the price right now? I don't even know it dropped so fast and so hard. But the thing is, I got in near the very, very bottom of this dip. It looks like now it's going to stabilize, hopefully. Hopefully, we'll make most of our Bitcoin back. We've already done pretty well. We've already got a good chunk of it back. But, like I said, it wiped out the gains from the last few days, as long as we don't get liquidated again, which wouldn't be the best thing. Now, I did go and check the hourly on F2 Pool, and it doesn't look like F2 Pool is the reason for this dump right now. And that speaks to maybe a higher level of manipulation coming in. A lot of bullish stuff on the markets. Mark Cuban's talking about how Ethereum's a better opportunity than Bitcoin right now. A lot of people, I know a lot of you guys are worried about Ethereum right now. And I'll be honest with you, I'm a little worried about it myself. And that's why we are going to be doing a full investigation on that this week. We might tomorrow kind of talk about a few of the things we think could be contributing to Ethereum's lack of pop over the last few days that we were expecting. We may put a full video out on it. So if you want a full video out on that, a full scripted video, make sure to drop that down below. So definitely full ETH investigation coming. Some people are just saying They think it's the gas fees, but I don't think so, because what we're really counting on is the institutional money coming in to pump out hard. And we're seeing that. We're seeing Grayscale make a lot of buys. And so to me, it makes more sense that if it's not minor dumping, which we're going to get down to the bottom of, then in that case, it is going to be institutional, manipulation, pressing the price down. I don't think that this is just, I don't think we're going to end this investigation and say, well, he just isn't performing that great. I mean, you see stuff like Mark Cuban saying, lines up, you got the richest people in the world saying it. I don't think it's going to come down to just random, like, it's just not pumping. Like, that's not going to be the case. There's going to be something we're going to be able to point to and say, that's the thing. So as far as Bitcoin goes, what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to lick my wounds. What I'm trying to do. But you guys know we'll show you the trades tomorrow. We'll show you how we got liquidated. And was I really following Market Cypher when I was making these trades? No, I was FOMOing in on bottoms, which, I mean, guys, let's be honest. When you get dips this big, it's kind of, they can be so fast. If you can catch that wick where the wick is, I mean, it's really advantageous. But really what cost me this much money was the fact that earlier today, I took a nap, because you guys know, I mean, I run exhausted all the time. You guys know that. We run nonstop here. Why? For you, for the Bit Squad. And we want to give you guys as much information as possible. So what happened is earlier today, I was having some back problems today. My back's been doing better. Shout out to my chiro, Lake Point Wellness. Shout out to them, Dr. Deb. Boom, boom. Making me feel great, but my back's been hurting a little bit this weekend. And so, I had to take a little nap today, put the TENS machine on, and, passed out at about 4:30, and I woke up at 8:30. If I just would have stayed asleep, I wouldn't have lost all the money. So there you go. That is the secret strategy on how not to lose 3 Bitcoin, is to just stay asleep. When it's so late, there's no reason for you to get up. But the good news is I've been able to come in here and make this video and talk to you guys about it, because, here we always have our pulse on the market, on what's happening. So the volume came in really, really large to the downside. That probably definitely affected everything. We don't know yet. I mean, it's still very early. I mean, this is like, you got a big disaster, some kind of attack or something. And so you go and the FBI, they cut out, put tape around the area. They're doing their investigation. They can't really tell you what happened at first. Might have some theories based on some evidence that they might have seen initially, but that's what we're doing right now. We just taped off the scene, and now we are jumping in to try to figure out exactly what it was that caused this dump. We do know that Bitcoin was coming to the edge of, to a decision point, and it popped to the downside. Will it pop back up? We'll have to find out that tomorrow. We'll be back on the live stream tomorrow morning for you guys. So drop your comments down below. I want to know what you guys think is causing this dump. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.